Frustrated with the Direct3D X9 DLL pop-up ruining your stream? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you the professional way to patch your game files. Before the technical guide for Direct3D X9, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Direct3D X9 Update 43, a specialized extension of the DirectX 9 API that provides pre-built mathematical routines for vertex and pixel shader compilation. While Windows 10 and 11 includes the base D3-D9 runtime, this specific helper version is often missing from clean installs. It is a mandatory requirement for rendering 3D textures in titles like League of Legends or World of Tanks. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. To restore Direct3D X9 DLL, we need to address the underlying graphics runtime. I recommend installing the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime package to refresh your legacy DirectX components, followed by a GPU driver update to ensure your OpenCL or CUDA frameworks are current. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Direct3D X9 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. To fix persistent graphics initialization errors, you should download the DirectX end-user runtime to restore the missing software bridges. This package contains the full set of legacy libraries required for multimedia applications, and it will automatically replace your DLL file if it is missing from your system directory. Why are we doing this? Well, the standard DirectX version included with Windows 10 and 11 is built for modern games and often lacks the backward compatibility needed for the specific file causing your error. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Please use caution. Replacing Direct3D X9 DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for Direct3D X9 references. Thank you for trusting us with Direct3D X9 repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.